Meaning of homeboy.
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 Homeboy. Homeboy is a slang term that originated in African American and Latino communities in the United States. It refers to a male friend or acquaintance from one's own neighborhood or community, often used as a term of endearment or camaraderie. The term is usually associated with urban and hip-hop cultures, and has been popularized in music and movies. Homeboy can also connote loyalty and trust between individuals who share similar backgrounds and experiences. Overall, the term homeboy implies a sense of familiarity and belonging within a particular social group or community.